Good morning, dear children. To celebrate World Music Day, which falls on 21st June every year, here in St. Mary's Central School, we have arranged an online light music competition exclusively for our students. Music is an integral part of life. It touches your soul. Rhythmic music is everywhere in nature. Maybe louder for someone, soothing for someone, melodious for someone, like that. A good number of children have participated in this event. I congratulate all the participants and also their parents for enhancing the harmony and happiness by way of this gesture, which the children will keep close to their soul forever. We have categorized the children into 6 in number and further into boys and girls. Children, participation is more important than winning a prize. Prizes are limited. The winners are Category 1, LKG and UKG boys. First place goes to Jonathan Ginu Thomas of LKG B. Second, Farsh Dilip LKG B. And third position, Siddharth S of UKG B. Among girls, first, Amelia Matthew of UKG A. Second, Aisha Anish of UKG A. Third, Juliet Truss Jim of UKG B. Category 2 for classes 1 and 2. Boys, first position goes to Liddell Abraham Minsu of 2D. Second position, Mayuk Prashant of 1D. And third, Jeremy J. Verghese of 1A. Among girls, first position, Anmia Anish of 2D. Second position, Malavika Manoj of 1D. And third position, Ananmia Binu of 2C. Category 3, classes are 3 and 4. Boys, first position goes to Muhammad Fadil of 4A. Among girls, first position, Sayusha M. Rajan of 4B. Second position is shared between P.S. Sri Lakshmi of 3D and Estelle Anish Thomas of 4C. And third position goes to Anamika K.S. of 3B. Category 4, classes were 5, 6 and 7. Among boys, first position goes to Joel C. Jose of 7C. Among girls, first position go to Janita Thomas of 6A. Second position, Irene Sarah Thomas of 5B. And the third position was shared between Roshni Girish of 7A and Renu Anna Reggie of 6B. Category 5, classes were 8, 9 and 10. First position goes to Jeffin Thomas of 8B. And second position to Elijah Kochukoshi of 9C. Among girls, first position goes to Evelyn Biju of 8B. Second position, Alina Mary Thomas of 10C. And third, Raina Ria Thomas of 9B. Category 6, classes were 11 and 12. Among boys, first position, Ashwin V. Kunyumon of 11A. Second position, Christy Simon Matthew of 11C. And third position, Abel Philip of 11B. Among girls, first position, Sarah Ann Bijoy of 11B. Second position, Hasha Anna Sunil of 11C. And third position to Vinisha Teresa Matan of 12C. They are the winners. Congratulations to all of you and thank you very much.